Alicia has designed a computer using the von Neumann architecture. Describe the purpose of two registers that are stored by von Neumann architecture. So von Neumann architecture is just fetch, decode, execute. All right, that's what it's talking about there. So most of this is waffle. Describe the purpose. So describe the purpose. The purpose means the point. What's the point of it? Two registers, fine, 1, 2, we don't need to underline that are used by the von Neumann architecture. Well, we haven't been studying any other architecture, so describe the point of two registers. Well, let's make this really easy for ourselves and just... the fetch, decode, execute cycle is a complex sequence to memorize perfectly. And I didn't start studying this until degree level, so it is difficult. So let's make this really, really easy for ourselves and pick two easy registers to describe. So two registers. Program counter is a register, all right? And it's really easy to describe. We've already picked up a mark for identifying it because it doesn't tell us in the question any. So if we've written one down correctly, we've picked up a mark. And top tip, later on in the exam paper, if you're struggling, it might mention some registers. So I'll have a skim forward if you really blanked, and then you talk about those registers, go back to this question. It might give you, like, spoilers. So program counter, what does that program counter do? It holds the address location of the next instruction to be fetched. But, program counter holds the address location of the next instruction. That's pretty much it. That'll get us 2 marks. So let's pick another easy one. Accumulator. So the accumulator is a I hate word for formatting. So the accumulator is a register. Come on, let's just I'm just going to write it down. So the accumulator is a register. What does the accumulator do? Well, it stores the result of calculations. 4 marks, right there. We've described the purpose, we've said what they do, we've identified 2 registers, we've picked 2 easy ones, easy 4 marks, and that could be the difference between a grade boundary on a computer science paper.